Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes batter from scratch. Combine 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Whisk 1 cup milk with 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons melted butter, then fold wet into dry until just combined. Rest the batter briefly, then cook on a hot, lightly greased skillet for golden, fluffy pancakes. Start by sifting dry ingredients to remove clumps and aerate the flour for lighter pancakes. Whisk wet ingredients separately to break up the egg and fully incorporate milk and melted butter. Fold the wet mix into the dry with a spatula using gentle strokes. Stop when you see a few lumps. Overmixing causes tough pancakes, so aim for a slightly shaggy batter and let it rest before cooking for best texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for storing leftover batter or meal prepping pancakes for busy mornings. They seal tightly and stack neatly. Check the description for the link and other deals for a great kitchen upgrade. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and wipe with a little butter or oil. Spoon 1/4 cup batter for each pancake, leaving space between them. Look for bubbles across the surface and set edges before flipping once. Cook the second side until golden. Keep finished pancakes warm in a low oven while you finish the batch. Serve immediately with butter, maple syrup, fresh berries, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar for a classic finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.